Hey, Miss Ray here. So I'm here to introduce to you your microscope lab. So the way that this is going to work in our online environment is we have these little microscopes called smart microscopes. They work similar to a light microscope. Their magnification is between 10 times and 200 times magnification. They work similar to a light microscope because they do use light. I'm going to turn it on a little bit, but not enough to blind you. So they use light to view specimens. And the way these work, I can either place it on a stand, and when it's on the stand, hold it up to a normal slide to view my specimen. But these are also really cool because I can hold them right up to my hand or my shirt or a coin, whatever, and view the microscopic image of that object, which is really awesome. And the way that we adjust is by using this little knob here. We can adjust both our magnification, so how zoomed in we are, as well as our resolution, which is how clear we are. So again, really cool little microscope. And we're going to use it today. So in the little Google Classroom on that slideshow, there are 4 microscopes. For the lab, you're going to work your way around looking at all 4. Each 4 is going to link to a video in which you will view something using this little microscope. Really cool. And there will be questions that go with each video, so make sure you're answering those questions on your Google Doc. That Google Doc is what you'll turn into Canvas to get your credit. So make sure you're answering your questions on that Google Doc as you go. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to adjust over. You'll, here in a second, you'll notice that your screen will change and it'll become all blurry. And that's just because you're switching from my webcam to the microscope view, so don't freak out. Alright, so now you're blurry, but I'm going to go ahead and turn the light on the microscope. Things will lighten up a little bit. I'm going to first hold this up to my shirt. And I'm going to adjust my knob to help see some of the up-close microscopic views of my shirt. So you can tell here, again, my shirt is purple. You saw it earlier. I'm trying to find something cool here. So we can look, we can see the colors in my shirt. And right there, we can see a little piece that is yellow. It's right there at the bottom. And what that is it just means I've come into contact with something yellow that is rubbed off on my shirt. So in forensics, that would be called trace evidence. I can't see it. It's not like a piece of lint that I can just pluck off, but it is definitely there. So that would be a piece of trace evidence. There it is. That I've just come in contact with it, and now it's on my shirt. Next, I'm going to hold this up to my hand, so my skin. Do the same thing and adjust our view here. Too zoomed in, you gotta zoom out some. So here I can see the cells that kind of make up my hand a little bit. So I can tell I have some dry hands. Now again, this is stuff you can't see with the eye. So look, you can see, looks like I have some tiny little abrasions or little cuts there. Definitely dry skin, so I need some lotion. So next I'm going to hold this up to my hair. So here's my hair. Whoa, and I can see individual strands, and it also looks like I got some gray ones, unfortunately, I hate to admit. Got some gray hairs going on there. It's normal for hair to vary in color, but a couple of those are definitely lighter in color. Alright, so now you're going to go ahead and make sure you click on all your microscopes and answer the questions as you go.